Happy Sunday, Pirates. It is so good to be with you today. The first really important piece of information that I want to remind everybody is that we don't have any school tomorrow. So we're going to run through some other things that are happening this month, but just a reminder that there is no school tomorrow. I am standing in the classroom of our audiovisual pathway for our career and technology education. February is Career and Technology Education Month, and so we get to celebrate just so many of the great career opportunities that we're providing to students. So what you see behind me, we have some podcasting going on. Over here to my left, to your right, is a news desk where they provide our school announcements each day. It's just really a great opportunity for our students who think that they might want to pursue a career in any kind of audiovisual work to come in and to learn and spend 4 years really honing their craft. And so I just want to celebrate that CTE program today. We're headed to another classroom here shortly to show off a little bit more of that. But this is CTE Month. So if you know one of our amazing career and technology teachers, please tell them thank you for all of the work that they do and the experiences that they're providing to our kids. Here I am in another CTE classroom. This is our graphic design classroom. What you see behind me are students working on vinyl. You've seen in one of our other videos that huge wall, that mural that we showed you. That's a product of this classroom. 3D printers, all sorts of abilities to brand and label things. All of our kids getting this great hands-on experience. So we have some really amazing CTE classes and teachers, and just want to send a special thanks to those individuals this month. Next, wanted to remind everybody about our 125th anniversary. On the last Saturday of this month, February 28th, we'll be celebrating our 125 years of Crandall ISD. We'll start the day with a pirate breakfast. We have displays of memorabilia from all of our generations of school. There's an opportunity to look to the future in our celebration, and so we hope you'll take a time to be a part of that. Also, if you are an alumni of Crandall ISD, we are starting a storehouse of all of our alumni, trying to get all of you guys on some emails and just communicate with our former students. And so if you're an alumni, please make sure that you check out our alumni page, and you can see that QR code here. One other thing we wanted to talk about just before we go is Black History Month. February is Black History Month, and we try to celebrate that in a lot of different ways throughout our district. You've seen there was an exhibit that happened at Heartland Middle School. Many of our campuses are having programs and activities, and so please check with your specific campus for how we are celebrating our Black History Month. We hope you have a great rest of your week. We look forward to seeing all of our students and staff back on Tuesday. Have a good night.